let's talk about Glassdoor and how your company should approach negative reviews. Let's get into it. For the purposes of this video, we are only going to speak about Glassdoor and the negative review part of the platform. And for any business owner who's been under a rock, Glassdoor is an online platform where employees can, among other things, leave reviews about your company. And those reviews can be positive or negative. I spent some time on Glassdoor for about 2 hours. I've read some incredible reviews from employees, and they speak about companies and management, how they were treated, just all kinds of things. Why should you as a business owner be concerned about what someone named Anonymous left about your company? The reason is company reputation. The chances of you attracting the best candidates is greatly reduced if all you have are a plethora of negative reviews about you, about your management staff, about your company. So let's see what we can do to repair some of that. Here's my advice to any company that has negative reviews on Glassdoor. Review Glassdoor regularly. Oh, what do you mean by that, Nina? I don't have time to review Glassdoor. Well, if you have an HR department, that should be part of their job anyway, to regularly look at these types of platforms to see what is being written about your company. Glassdoor gives your company a free profile, and you can update with pictures and information about your company and who's running your company, all of that good stuff. Well, what if someone leaves a false negative review on Glassdoor? Understand the terms and conditions for Glassdoor. Then try to determine if the anonymous employee violated any of those terms. At that time, if you believe they did, you can reach out to Glassdoor in writing, state the violated term and or condition set forth by Glassdoor to see if that post can be deleted in that way. If not, I suggest you hit that negative post head on. Now, as a business owner, if you get on Glassdoor and you start spouting off at the mouth or naming names, I know that's you, William. If you do things like that, your post is going to be deleted by Glassdoor. And keep in mind, on Glassdoor, it is the employer who gets the last word. It's not a back and forth thing where the employee gets to say something back and you get to say something and then they go back and forth. It's not a tennis match. You get to say one thing and then the employee, anonymous, gets to say something and then you, the employer, get to respond. To be sure that your response is not rejected, let's do the following. Do not include the name of the person you think wrote the post. Do not threaten the writer of the post, whomever it is, with legal action or punitive damages. Be courteous and professional. Glassdoor will notify you if your post has been removed. Consider supporting the channel by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, and clicking the notification bell. We have the applaud button for non-membership contributions, and memberships are available for as low as $3.99 a month. Here's an example of an excellent response to a negative review. Pause the video if you would like to read the negative review, but my point is the response. And if you'll notice that the vice president of people at Reddit took the time to address point by point by point all of the concerns that the individual brought up. And finally, some best practices with regard to Glassdoor or any platform for that matter Again, don't threaten with legal action. Don't threaten with bribes. I'll pay you $50 to remove your post. Don't go in that direction. Also, don't generate fake positive reviews to offset the negative reviews received on your profile. And lastly, don't threaten or bully don't threaten or bully anyone, whether it's an employee or a former employee. The best way to reduce the chances of your company having any negative reviews on any platform is to treat your employees equally and fairly. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.